Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by signing into the Google account that owns the calendar. Make sure Calendar is enabled and you have permission to add events. Once signed in, open Google Calendar and locate appointment schedules in the left panel. Create appointment types now. Name each service, set duration and buffer times, then assign location or Google Meet. You do this so slots sync properly and clients see accurate availability. Now move to configure advanced scheduling rules. Next, focus on the detailed configuration. Open an appointment type and set your daily availability, lead time, how far ahead bookings allowed, and minimum notice. Then add custom questions or required information fields so you collect what you need at booking. Integrate payment or location choices if necessary. Make sure to limit bookings per day and block off personal times by creating blocked events. Once these are saved, test a slot booking to confirm. Finally, publish the appointment schedule and share it. Copy the booking link or embed HTML into your site. You can also send direct invites. Confirm confirmation, emails, and reminders are enabled, and verify booked slots appear on your calendar with correct details. If something goes wrong, first check calendar permissions, make sure appointments can be added, and look for overlapping busy events that block slots. If notifications fail, re-enable them and test with a dummy booking to validate the entire flow.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.